Everybody that survived previous crashes is yelling at you right now to buy the dip. Because let's face it, some of your favorite projects are probably deeply discounted right now during this crypto crash. Well, we present to you a wonderful opportunity because now you stand a chance to win bonuses worth $6,699. And it's all really simple too. You just need to sign up for a new account on MEXC using Altcoin Buzz's exclusive link and start trading. The exchange is US and Australia friendly. And it allows up to 10 Bitcoin daily withdrawals with no KYC, and you can trade more than 2,000 crypto assets on MEXC. Pretty good deal. What exactly can you win here with this campaign? Well, when you sign up with an Altcoin Buzz exclusive link and make deposits and trades, you can win $4,100 worth of bonuses. Now, the bonus amount you win is determined by the amount of deposits and trades you make. And you can always check out the giveaway link to find more details. All of this is listed here, as you can see. But on top of that, everyone who deposited just a little bit of money and made some trades will automatically become a part of the lucky draw worth $2,500 in USDT. Plus, as a bonus, once you sign up with the Altcoin Buzz exclusive link, you become eligible for 1 month of free membership with Altcoin Buzz Access Pro. That is worth $99. We're giving that away for free as a trial. And as a member, you're going to have access to 2 undervalued gem calls per month, over 25 technical analysis calls per month, NFT mint calls, top IDO calls as they're available, and airdrops, of course. Additionally, that same link qualifies you for a lifetime 10% discount on all trading fees. So now's your chance. Again, this is worth $6,699 in bonuses. It's live for only the next 14 days. And if you're lucky, you can also win one of 10 lucky draws. Each are worth $250. We're going to be announcing those 10 lucky draw winners. So time to get trading, not only because there's a dip right now, but because of these great incentives. We're going to really break it down now and show you guys step by step exactly what you have to do in order to qualify yourself for these bonuses. Okay, first things first, you have to click the link and go to the landing page shown here. This is what it looks like. And you can click on Create Account. You're then taken to MEXC where you can sign up and do so with just an email or a phone number. There is no KYC required. Again, no know your customer information is required yet. And for up to 10 BTC in terms of withdrawals, you don't have to KYC either. And we're now going to show you how easy this is all to do in the following demonstration. So we're going to show you how to, number 1, create an account. Number 2, send your UID plus Telegram handle to Altcoin Buzz's Twitter handle, which is, by the way, at altcoinbuzzio. That's for your free month of Altcoin Buzz access. And then deposit the money into the account. We're also going to show you how to start spot and or futures trading. This should be done within 7 days. And then based on the amount you deposited and traded, you're going to be eligible for different bonuses. And of course, that drawing for the $250 times 10 of free money. And here's how you qualify for the bonuses. With bonus number 1, you're getting up to $100 just for your deposit and trading. As you can see in this chart, for example, if you deposit and trade $3,000, then you earn the first 2 bonuses of 20 USDT and a $10 BTC airdrop. Deposit more and you earn more in bonuses. For bonus number 2, you can earn up to $1,000 in bonuses in your futures account by completing the tasks you're going to find here. We are now currently on the futures activity bonus page of MEXC. Bonus number 3, up to $3,000 and 30% off all your futures trading fees. Here's how much you need to deposit and trade to earn it. And this bonus will go right into your futures account as USDT. And here, this table highlights just how much you're going to save on those fees based on your trading volume, because as you might expect, the more you trade, the more you're going to save. And finally, bonus number 4, last but not least, you can earn a free $250 in your account as one of the 10 winners of the drawing. So that's $2,500 being given away to new account holders. All you need to qualify for the drawing is, number 1, you need to have signed up for a new account using the Altcoin Buzz landing page and links. Number 2, you deposited $1,000 in USDT. And number 3, you have a spot trading volume of 3,000 or more USDT or a futures trading volume of $10,000 or more. As you can see, we're pretty motivated to get you guys started and on your way with an MEXC account because we really like using it ourselves. You can qualify for lots of bonuses to add some more money to your account, including some that might help you make one of those generational trades. And that's the sort of thing that can happen when a bear market suddenly becomes a bull market. Best of luck.